My name is Spencer Hanna, and today I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs online. Welcome to the Campbell County 4-H Tech Changers program. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do an effective online search for a job. It is important to know how to do such a search, especially in these times. Most companies post job opportunities on websites. This has increased even more since COVID. Today we're going to be going over job banks, job search websites, and how to avoid job scams. After this lesson, you'll be able to use your new skills to find reputable job sites, access credible job postings, and know when there's a fake job posting. For materials, you're going to need a digital device such as a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. You'll also need access to the internet. We're going to go over some job searching websites like Indeed, Monster, and ZipRecruiter. These will help you find jobs easily. I'm going to start off first with Monster. So as you can see here, this is the Monster job searching website. You can see there's some things here that if you want to search up, you have work from home, manufacturing, part-time, administration. Those are just many of the types of jobs out there. You can search for any jobs you want on Monster, and it'll bring up a list of jobs related to your search. So for the location, I'm going to put in Lynchburg, Virginia. And for a job, I'm going to search up mechanic. And we're going to see what comes up for that. So this is an express lube technician for a weekend shift, $2,000 sign-on. This is for Caterpillar and Carter Machinery. So you can click on that. It'll give you your job description, the pay that they're going to give you, requirements to be able to work there, and your benefits and compensation. Now, Indeed and ZipRecruiter are pretty much the same way, but they may be able to give you a broader job search area. One of the things about all these websites that have in common is that you can upload your resume, and then instead of going into each one and having to type in all your information every single time, it'll just automatically upload it for you. I'll show you examples of job search and Indeed, and ZipRecruiter as well. So this is Indeed. It has the same type of thing where you can search up where and what kind of job you want. I'm going to search up for hiring now. And these are places in Lynchburg that are hiring immediately. So places that need employees as soon as possible. And it's also the same way with ZipRecruiter. This one I've already searched up a plumber in the Lynchburg area, and it'll give you an office manager for a plumbing company in Madison Heights, a walk-in bathtub installer for HomeSmart Industries in Lynchburg, Virginia, a carpentry team member, and this also gives you other jobs you may like a maintenance worker for a hotel in Lynchburg. These are just things related to what you searched up. Now I'm going to go back to our PowerPoint, and we're going to move on to job scams. And unfortunately, some people use job searching websites to operate money-making scams. A lot of the online scam warnings include being offered a job without an application, being asked to send them money, them asking for your personal information like credit card info or social security number, being promised a high wage that seems too good to be true, and also being told for you to pay for an online training course. and also being asked to cash a check. Our next slide is going to be a little bit more about job scams. I'm just going to skim over this, but job scams occur when a scammer lists a fake job position with the intent of stealing money or your personal information. A lot of the job scams are the too good to be true variety, where they promise something that's unrealistic, especially to today's standards. You really have to watch out for these. Make sure you don't get scammed. There are several ways you can do that. A lot of them are like, if something seems kind of sketchy with the job posting, you can contact them. And a lot of companies will be very responsive to you and like that you're, interested about the position, and they'll answer almost all your questions immediately. But if you ask them questions and they either don't answer you or they avoid answering your question directly, that may be a job scam. Another thing that you can do is limit your disclosure to if they ask for your social security number, only give them the last four. This right here is an example of a job scam. It says earn $500 to $1,000 per week guaranteed for just working from your home. And this is a too good to be true job scam. This next one is a little meme. The guy saying he's going to hire him at $100 an hour. The new employee is all excited, saying, great, when do I start? And then the employer is telling the new employee that he starts after the employee starts paying the employer. And this is our conclusion here, that there are many ways to search for a job online. There are many websites to also help you in your job search. Just be sure to watch out for job scams. When searching for jobs, intuition and gut feelings are integral. Everything may seem to be normal in a job listing, but if something feels off, you should pay attention. Ask questions about anything that concerns you. If the company won't answer or avoids the question, the job may be a job scam.